everyone. This is David Lostra with Lostra Realty. We just want to take a second to show you our new listing here at 200 Palmer's Court, located right above the Ruby View Golf Course. So let's go inside and take a look. First thing you'll notice is the home office, which is located right off the main entrance. Whether you're just trying to get some work done, or like myself, have to order your 100th bottle of Lysol off Amazon. Now let's take a quick peek into the living room. My favorite features of this home is the spacious kitchen. Now that you're done in the kitchen, let's go look at the bedrooms. Which has an adjoining bathroom. Which is all conveniently located right next to the laundry room. Another cool feature of this house is the bonus room, or as I like to call it, the quarantine room. Key feature of this master bathroom is the walk-in shower that has enough space to allow safe social distancing. Now that we've finished our tour on the inside, let's go outside. But first, let's get ready. Another great feature of this home is the location. You're within walking distance of the golf course.